You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Day Martin's best friend Zanzi surprised her as she makes her an ambassador of Zanzi's spa beauty and smile. As top celebrities were spotted having fun, Video introduced Taiwo Bankole as her shadow and event planner. Video is spotted dancing and having fun as an instrumentalist plays for her. Adeni Johnson also came to congratulate her as they were seen hugging each other. Zanzi hails popular actor and comedian Odunade Adekola as he storms in new outfit, saying something big is coming.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.